Unit 14, Ballet Class. Hi Cindy, where are you going? Good afternoon, Miss White. I'm going to ballet class. Ballet class? I didn't know you were studying ballet. How long have you been studying ballet? Today is my first day, and I don't want to go. My mom and dad want me to learn ballet. I'm not sure I want to learn how to dance. I used to learn ballet too, when I was young as. Now I teach ballet in a dance school. Oh, I didn't know that. Where did you teach your class? Down the street at Easy Stage Dance Academy. Ballet is fun to learn, and it's a very graceful dance. You need to learn steps and practice a lot, of course, but I think you'll enjoy it. I hope so. Well, go and have some fun dancing.